Hi, welcome guys, and welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 1 to 6. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen below, 900-936-8238. You can message or call anytime, which is convenient to you. Here, the question number 1 to 6 that we are discussing here. If this is accountancy questions, and question number 1, 2, and 3 all are 40 to 60 words you have to write, and for question number 4 and 5 you have to write in the 100 to 150 words. Question number 6 is a project based question which you need to write in the 500 words. So actually we have prepared all the answers according to the subjects and according to the word limits of all the subjects which you are pursuing. So if you need this, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. And if you have other queries, you can contact for also. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.